Kenny Bayless looks like he's looking for a chance to stop the fight.
Yeah, he's virtually almost won it. He's getting ready to get in position to stop the fight.
Pagod na si Manny.
Looking at Bayless now as if to say, what is the point? I have to chase and chase and chase.
I know.
No, he's saying, are you going to fight? Or should I stop it? Is really what his motion means.
In the corner between rounds, Miguel Cotto's father, Miguel Cotto Sr., wanted to stop the fight and was talked out of it by the others in the corner, including head trainer Joe Santiago.
Oh! That's it.
Manny Pacquiao is great. He's better than we thought.
The win of Pacquiao's now legendary career.
Legendary.
And not just so much as just
Alam na sa Pilipinas, sura pa lang ang laban.
best fighters all the way from Brother not to work against and being performing on the top level with everything.
Pero alam na
I've never known a fighter to do that.
umpisa na doon. Makikita na. Pero tawag mo na. Kung gusto nila. Tawag mo na. Nadisgrasya si Pacquiao ka mo. Hindi man lang nasulatan ka mo.
Magaling si Manny. Kawawa naman ito.
Hindi, dapat sumisigaw sila na istapida.
TKO 12.
Istapida, lumabang pa.
Victory for Pacquiao. Second loss of Cotto's career. Next question. Is Pacquiao good enough to beat Floyd Mayweather?
Oo, pero nakakakabaril doon sa tatlong round. Matibay, nakakanin eh. Ano, parang baturin siya.
Pretty epic.
Pero talagang magaling, kumanan daw. Ano yan? Pinakamagaling na, record! Kasi pag nadisgrasya siya, naloko na. Nagalit
Let's take a look at highlights from throughout the fight. The first couple of rounds looked fairly even. By round 3, Pacquiao's speed began to show up. He caught Cotto with a blinding right hook inside. Cotto went down. Round 4, Cotto was winning the round and seemed to be getting back into control of the fight, but Pacquiao caught him again, this time with a left uppercut. So a second 2-point round in a row for Pacquiao. Now he was in control on the scorecards. In the 6th round, another perfect right hook by Pacquiao, and Cotto almost went down again. Round 8. More punishment, and by now it was becoming sustained.
Ayaw ni Pacquiao na
Hard left
gusto niya
hand by
talagang bigyan ng magandang laban ng mga audience.
Ano kaya lang tumatagilid sa ano eh.
Ayaw niya nasusukurin.
And following this exchange, if you want to call it an exchange, this assault by Pacquiao, Alyssa Milano, right up Miguel, closed her eyes, and moments later, left the arena, taking her son with her.
Hindi niya may ano, nilabas
Round
na.
12, Cotto in full retreat, Pacquiao hammering him, Kenny Bayless stops the fight. Let's go to Michael Buffer for the particulars on TKO 12.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at the MGM Grand, referee Kenny Bayless steps in to call a halt to this contest. The official time,
Sinabi mo na yan po para
55
pasuspend
seconds
sila.
of round 12, the final round, the winner
Mommy, let them watch.
TKO victory.
Para
And
suspend.
news,
Sabihin mo doon, ay gustahan sila. Gustahan din sila ron eh.
the fighting pride of the
Gustahan din sila ron.
Kaya tapos na.
Manny
Na-TKO rin. Sige.
Pacquiao.
Shit, talagang sikat na tayo sa boksingan.
Too fast, too powerful, too good again. Final CompuBox numbers.
Wala,
Pacquiao landslide.
Epic victory.
Just as was the case.